Alright, so all set. Okay, so now first thing is I have to fuel up, and then we are meeting at Ram's place, and it looks like it's going to rain. I'm fed up of these rains here. Like, it's already October and we're still raining. Auntie, you need to look here. Please check at both the ends of the road, not just one side. इसके पास मिलेगा क्या पावर? पावर 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 नहीं मिलेगा. फिर चलो, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. Multi-brand ride. But these two are cousins from the same country.
Smaller cousins.
हाँ, but they are all distant relatives. एक ही देश से ये लोग. This one is from Thailand.
No, they are Korea.
Korea. This is Korea. And वो कौन सा बाइक है?
नवीन सर, वो बोलता बेनिफिट 300 नहीं तो दूसरा लेके आ रहा है.
Oh, okay. Italian. ये आ गया American muscle. I'm not sure whether this guy will have speed. Speed है ना, speed.
Hi, Sahib.
Venkatesh. We spoke on, we chat on Facebook.
Meet more because we share the same.
Yeah. क्या हुआ?
शिफ्टर गिर गया बोलता है.
नहीं, मैं खो गया यार. कंपनी से खो गया मैं. I was picking up and I lost in the company itself.
So how's she doing?
She's doing good. Just 1,000 kilometers on her. Compared to this is very slim, huh? She's like...
But if you ride that,
Yeah, that is different league.
I have taken a test drive. Yeah, 1200.
huh?
1200 GS 1200.
Yes. No, not this. This is a good. Actually, I was thinking of going for this.
Okay.
But then for the DCT, I said, let's.
Oh, you are a manual guy.
You're a manual guy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. We have 5 bikes now. So we're all set, and it looks to be very foggy over here. Oh my god, look at that fog ahead. It's fully fogged up. We're going to Yellapur, sorry, not Karwar. We just finalized that we'll be taking a shorter route, just because some people want to get back by 1 PM, and if we go to Karwar it will be like too late. So yeah, we'll be taking the Hubli route. Oh, she sounds nice. Almost 70 kilometers and reaches Hubli Dharwad bypass. Alright guys, so we just took a diversion there after say like 10 kilometers after the bypass toll, and now we have very narrow 2-lane roads. And there are some more over there. just finished our breakfast and now we are heading to a falls called Magod Falls, and the locals said there is enough water so we can enjoy the view. So we've reached the falls. There's a ticket counter over here and this is the falls area.
Off-roaders.
Two off-roaders. This is a hardcore off-roader, that is a soft off-roader. It's a really cute puppy. Bye. ये खेल रहा है मेरे साथ. ये मड़ांगिल रहता है. So we are entering the falls. इतना मस्त मेंटेन किया है इन लोगों ने. रोड ठीक है यार, but see they have maintained it very well. I was not expecting this kind of maintenance. Only 10 rupees entry fee, that's all. But it's worth it. It's totally worth it. Just finished up the Magod Falls. It was beautiful, a lot of water, and the falls was extremely eye pleasing. So now we have started back again our return journey. I'm enjoying this. Manual mode works perfect here in this situation. I wanted to turn off the rear ABS as well, but don't want to play around here because we are already late. The paddle shifters work absolutely brilliant. They are super quick and very smooth. Auto mode is the best on highways. I mean, you are absolutely comfortable. I must say it's a luxury feature.